In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to find your cycle count on iOS 26 and what that number actually means for your battery health. Before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one. Let's open the settings page on our phone, then scroll a bit down until you find this battery section right here. This page will show us a bunch of information about our battery life, but our job is to go a bit down until you see this battery health section, and I'll tap on this to open it. Inside this page, you can see your cycle count listed right under the maximum capacity section. And in my case, my iPhone is sitting at 347 cycles. So what does that number actually mean? A cycle is basically one full charge. For example, if you charge your phone from 0% to 100%, that's one full cycle. But it also adds up smaller charges. So if you charge your phone from 50% to 100% twice, that also counts as one cycle. It's just a way of measuring how many times the battery has been used over time. So having around 300 to 350 cycles, like mine, is completely normal for a phone that's used every day. This number will slowly increase no matter what you do. It simply shows how many charge cycles your iPhone has gone through since the first day you turned it on. If this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to App Tutor for more quick iPhone guides just like this one.